last meal in Edinburgh. We are here down by the wharf, down by the water, and we're gonna try Scottish fish and chips. Let's go. So tonight we're eating Scottish fish and chips. Ordered a haddock, kids have haddock, and Blair has a monkfish. We also got some fried squid. Nice tasting chips. Not to forget, this time, got some mashed peas. Mashed peas taste pretty good with the chips. Scottish fish and chips have a wonderful flavor to them. Nice, light batter, airy flavor on the fish. Nothing too heavy. Just really good, really tasty. Calamari, fried squid. Nice, clean flavor on this. Everything is really fresh. You can taste the freshness right in this fish, right off the water. It tastes great. And if you want to know if the kids liked it, let's take a look at their plates.
Wait, no,
No. Okay. All right, the last one's finished. What do you think of your haddock? What do you think of your haddock?
yummy.
So yeah, we're at the fish market, New Haven. Flavors are great, wonderful food. The atmosphere is good. We are sitting here overlooking the bay, great location. Just a really good food experience. So as this is our last meal in Edinburgh, we decided to go out in style. Desserts are coming this time. We've missed them a lot of time, but we're definitely getting desserts tonight. And just as beautiful. It's 10 o'clock here. But I'm gonna give you a quick view of outside, of what it looks like outside. I mean, it's just a wonderful location down here in the harbor. We're gonna flip this camera around so you can see. Sun setting in the distance.
You win.
Blakely, you're about to go down the other side. Braden has the right idea. Matthew's about to drop. Spin it the other side, turn around. Bye. Bye. Here, y'all almost left those. So, the fish market is a two-part restaurant. They have a takeaway side and a restaurant side. Of course, we went into the restaurant side, but the takeaway side was also packed when we got here. It's 10 p.m. at night, although it's about 10:30 now, actually. And so we're so far north, even at 10:30, you can see it's still daylight. The sun just set a few minutes ago. So we're gonna take a few minutes and just kind of walk around here along the waterfront. It's a beautiful location. And this is a great place to finish up our Edinburgh spin experience. I'm telling you, it's been a great week. We couldn't have asked for a better experience. We couldn't have had a better time. The people have been friendly, as you just saw in the video there. They tried to kidnap my youngest. And so we've had a great time here. It's great. If you get a chance to get to Scotland, Edinburgh, come up. Come up. It is great. A plus all the way, 100%.
That one is called an arc, right?
Yep, that's an arc.